Is it filming now or not? No.
Yes it is. Yes it is.
How do you know?
It's counting.
Okay. All right, back up. No. Yes. I thought it was pop.
I'm against this.
Make up your mind.
I thought it was root beer.
Root beer?
Wait.
Oh.
Come on, pour it on. Pour it on.
All right.
You guys are gonna kill me.
Oh.
Here it comes.
It's
Oh
Put
my
some
gosh.
No.
There.
it's supposed to be
Oh, faithful. Well, we didn't put food coloring in it. Wait. Let's put some more salt.
Well.
Hold on.
Grandma, you're doing Grandma, you're doing it in the snake.
Hold on.
Grandma, you fell. Not putting food color in.
Here's our volcano of the year.
Oh,
Dun.
that's it.
That is so awesome!
That's our Play-Doh. That's our Play-Doh volcano.
Hey, turn color,
It
look.
stinks now.
Here,
Grandpa's against it.
let this big thing blow.
Do you want some baking soda in there?
Whoa!
Oh, there she goes.
Whoa!
See? This is a science experiment. The Play-Doh.
He's against it. I'm against it. Ooh, see?
He's like a man. Is it warm? Or is
No,
it
it's not warm.
That was so a waste of 2 minutes.
What? That was cool.
I know, I'm just kidding.
It's
Want to
pretty
really see it erupt? Like it.
No.
Like a balloon.
neat. Do you want to see it explode to the ceiling?
Oh!
We're wasting all the vinegar. We're wasting all the vinegar.
Okay.
Oh my goodness gracious. Poured it all in.
So you pour a little
Ooh.
bit in, and then it's like fine. Now
Wait. No.
let it blow. Let
No,
it
don't do it yet.
Hey, first of all, guys, I'm just to let you know this thing is like kind of accurate.
Oh, don't get your hair in it.
Put it in
It
here.
is. It's wet.
And just to let you know, all the Play-Doh pieces is like awesome free. You're putting sugar everywhere.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, faithful.
Now here is the real volcano that actually does. See, look. There's no dripping on the bottom.
That was so
So now what we have to do
It kind of smells like
Yeah.
It kind of smells like apple, but.